Hi, and welcome to CobraTransmission.com. A common question we get is when do you know when to replace the ATC400 drum and pump in the BMW X3? So I just rebuilt two of them, and these are the pumps I got out of them. So you could see that pump, the drum there is scored. And the pump there is also scored. Here's another one. This surface here mates with this surface here, and it should be nice and smooth, almost polished like. That's no good anymore. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear what your experiences are with the ATC400, and I'll have more videos like this coming up. Also, let me know what other type of videos you would like to see for the transfer cases so I could work on those. Please leave us a big thumbs up. Thanks a lot and have a great day.